In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove cart from Squarespace. If you're not selling products yet, or you just want a cleaner, distraction-free header, removing the cart icon is a quick change you can make right inside the Squarespace editor. I'll walk you through it in a simple, no-stress way and share a few tips to make sure everything looks the way you want on every page. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and select the website you want to update. From there, go into editing mode by clicking Website and then clicking Edit. This brings up the visual editor, where you can change what appears on your pages in real time. Next, move your mouse to the very top of the page until the header area highlights. You'll see an option to edit the header. Click Edit on the header to open the Header Settings panel. This is where all the elements that live in your header, like your logo, navigation, buttons, and the cart, are managed. Inside the header editor, look for the option labeled Add Elements. Go ahead and click that. You'll see a list that clearly separates what's currently enabled in your header from what's available but disabled. Find the cart element in this list. To remove the cart icon from your site's header, disable the cart element. The moment you do, you'll see the cart icon disappear from the live preview on the right. That's how you know it worked. A quick note here. Disabling the cart element only hides the cart icon from your header. It doesn't delete your products, orders, or any of your commerce settings. If you decide to start selling later, you can come right back to this same panel and re-enable the cart element, and it will reappear in your header instantly. It's also a good idea to take a quick look at how your header appears on different pages and on mobile. If your site uses a transparent or alternate header on certain pages, open those pages in the editor to confirm the cart is hidden there too. You can switch to the mobile preview within the editor to make sure the change looks good on smaller screens as well. And that's all there is to it. Open your site and click Edit, edit the header, go to Add Elements, and disable the cart element. Your header will be cleaner, and your visitors will see exactly what you want them to focus on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.